Squishies, and today I will be showing you some of my Christmas squishies slash newest squishies. So, let's get started. Okay guys, so the first squishy is this, I guess you'd call cappuccino. And I guess you'd call this a Christmas squishy because, you know, Christmas is known for like, I think they're called candy canes, yeah? And like hot chocolate. So yeah, sorry for the background noise, Disney Channel. Very, very detailed, and I also like that it's scented. It smells, I don't know what it smells like, but it has a unique smell. I don't know, but it's not a bad thing. It smells really good, and it's super airy. Here, let's give it a squish. Oh, super squishy. It's so rising. Like, look at the candy cane. Yep, okay. I'm gonna go to the next squishy. The next squishy is this, actually, I just forgot to tell you guys. So these squishies are a mixture of, like, where I got them is Walgreens and Five Below. This one was from Five Below. And this one is from Walgreens. Walgreens have some nice squishies, I will tell you. And it came with this netting packaging. So, yeah. This one does not have a smell. And this one is actually very airy. It is a Christmas tree. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look how squishy. This is by far the most slow rising squishy I have in this video. And let's give the little star squish. Look how slow rising. My goodness. I definitely recommend this squishy to anyone who likes slow rising squishies and very soft squishies. Okay, next squishy I will be showing you. This is not Christmas related, but I thought I might just put in the video because I got these at the same time I got the Christmas squishies. It's this little hamburger. It's by this brand. It came with this packaging. And yes, I did get this from Five Below. Ooh. It's super, super, super soft. You know, I'm not really a fan of the smell for this one. It smells like chemicals. Like, it doesn't smell that well. But hey, it's really slow rising. So it makes up for the smell. Oh gosh, that's always happens to me. And it does come with a keychain. You can put it on your backpack, your purse, anywhere, but I'm just gonna put it in my squishy bin and put this back in the packaging. It also has sesame seeds. Okay. So for the next squishy, this is not Christmas related, but I almost just put in the video like the hamburger is this toast, and it is by the same brand as the squishy I just showed you. You know, it may be, I mean, it's pretty dense. It's dense, but it's not dense, if you know what I mean. And it has a face on it. I would have liked it if it hadn't had a face, so I just turned it on. And it is pink toast. And this one also has a keychain on it. Like I said, you could put it on your purse, your book bag, or you don't even have to. Yep. Okay. Next squishy is this gift box, I think you would call it. Yeah, gift box. This one, I mean, it has a smell, but it's fading away. Okay, let's give it a squish. Whoa. Yeah, I definitely like this squisher. Super, super squishy. The bow, very, very slow rising. Okay. And I also did get this from Five Below, if you were just wondering. Okay. The next squishy I will be showing you is this adorable Yeti, and I will not be taking this out the packaging because it's white and I don't want it to get dirty. You know what I mean? Oh my gosh. This is like so soft. I'm gonna pull it up so you will see. Super cute Yeti. I did get this from Five Below, if you're wondering. Okay. Next squishy I will be showing you is from Five Below, and it is these two. I think one's a girl and one's a boy, and they are really adorable. You know, not really slow rising, but very, very soft. Yeah, this is the back. I also want to say thank you, Mom, for getting me all these, because she got them all for me. And the next one I will be showing you, I will not be taking out the packaging because I don't want it to get defected. Adorable. So adorable. A gingerbread house. Got this thing Five Below. Pretty slow rising too, like the amount of detail they put on this squishy is amazing. If you guys weren't aware, Christmas is my favorite holiday. I love Christmas. Pretty squishy. I like the little chimney too. Okay. So last but not least is this little gingerbread man. Gingerbread house, gingerbread man. And I did get this one, oh no. I did get this one from Walgreens, if you were just wondering. Oh no, the tag. And I will not be taking this out the packaging. Seriously, tag? Look at this squish. Super slow rising, wow. Actually, no. I'm almost it. Oh my gosh. It really does smell like gingerbread cookie. Like a gingerbread cookie. I'm not sure if this is a girl or a boy. Oh, it has lashes, so it must be a girl. Pretty slow rising. I like the amount of detail they put on this squishy too. Very, very. Sorry for the background noise. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.